love so much about Robert is he really brings fun into our coaching session. We interacted, we did role plays, we played games, and we had a lot of fun. But not only did we have fun, we actually learned a lot too.
The session was fantastic. It was very dynamic. People really were participating, and we got a lot out of it.
It was a great session. We were coached about understanding our customers, which is the basic need that we need to know when you're doing business.
One key takeaway for me was really after identifying my key target client, or even maybe more than one client type, I need to be tailoring my messaging, my marketing, my social media to that client needs.
Understanding our customer as business owners, how to select them and how to really go about understanding their needs so that we can actually meet their need and make a profit.
Now I'm able to sit down and think about who is my customer, what do they want, are they be able to afford what I'm offering?
How to identify my king, that is my customer. Then number 2, my cupbearer, the person that needs to introduce me to my king. That has been my eye-opener.
Robert was fantastic, and I recommend it to anyone that would want some type of coaching. Thank you.